Welcome to Review Rumble. The best toddler broom set is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning companions for parents aiming to instill a sense of responsibility and fun in their little ones, transforming mundane chores into engaging playtime adventures and fostering early development through interactive learning experiences. Number 5. Play 22 Kids Cleaning Set 4-Piece. Get ready for endless fun with this amazing 4-piece cleaning set designed just for kids. It's the perfect way to spark their imagination and encourage playtime. This set includes a broom, mop with an extendable handle, brush, and dustpan. It has everything your little one needs to feel like a real helper. It's not just pretend. This set is designed for realistic functionality, allowing children to actually help clean their rooms. Hours of engaging, pretend housekeeping await. Watch as they develop creative confidence while learning which tools work best for different tasks. It's a fantastic way to teach them about household chores in a fun, hands-on manner. Looking for a unique gift? This cleaning set is ideal for birthdays, Christmas, and holidays. It's a gift that encourages active play and responsibility for boys and girls alike. Ensure you're getting the original, high-quality Play 22 USA Kids Cleaning Set for the best experience. What we like? This cleaning set is a fantastic gift for birthdays and holidays. It includes a broom, mop with an extendable handle, brush, and dustpan, offering realistic functionality for hours of pretend play. If you are looking for a comprehensive cleaning set that encourages imaginative play and helps toddlers feel like real helpers, this is the one. What people say. Great size and weight for a toddler. They are lightweight and the perfect size for little hands. It's perfect for his size, it's not too heavy at all, it fits in any corner, and it's more durable than my own broom. No bristles have bent or came out, no broken pieces at all. Number 4. Kikidex Magnetic Drawing Board Light Blue. Looking for a gift that's both fun and educational? This magnetic drawing board is a fantastic choice for birthdays or any occasion. It offers endless artistic expression and learning opportunities for your child. This toy is more than just fun, it helps develop crucial skills. It enhances visual perception, hand-eye coordination, color recognition, and imagination. It's also great for learning letters, words, and numbers. Designed for heavy use, this drawing board is sturdy and stable. Its adjustable legs ensure a comfortable drawing experience that grows with your child, allowing for hours of creative fun. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, safety is paramount. It's BPA-free, has no small parts, and features rounded corners to protect your child from scratches. Say goodbye to wasted paper and messy crayons. This magnetic board provides an eco-friendly way for your child to create. With an easy-to-use eraser, they can wipe away drawings in seconds for endless new creations. Let your child's creativity flow without limits. This drawing board is an exciting and environmentally friendly tool for them to express themselves and explore their artistic talents. What we like? This magnetic drawing board offers a mess-free creative outlet for your little artist. It features a smooth gliding eraser for easy cleanup and adjustable legs for comfortable use. If you want to encourage artistic expression without the clutter of traditional art supplies, this is a great choice. What people say. The magnetic pen works smoothly, and it's easy for little hands to use. The board itself is very durable and has held up well to daily use and being tossed into bags without any issues. It keeps the kids entertained without screens and without worrying about markers or crayons making a mess. Number 3. Hape Fix-It Toolbox Toy. Introducing the Hape Fix-It Toolbox Toy, a fun and engaging way for your child to explore their creativity. This toy provides endless hours of imaginative play. With this toolbox, your little one can pretend to be a handy builder. They can use the included tools to fix, build, and create anything they can imagine. Playing with the tools helps develop essential fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's a great way to learn while having fun. Crafted from high-quality, child-safe materials, this toolbox is built to last. It's designed for safe and durable play, ensuring peace of mind for parents. The tools are perfectly sized for little hands to grip and manipulate easily. It encourages independent play and problem-solving skills. Let their imagination run wild as they embark on DIY adventures. This toy box is a gateway to a world of pretend play and skill development. What we like. This toy cleaning set is designed to look and feel like real cleaning tools, perfect for role-playing. It includes a mop, duster, and a wet floor sign to enhance the imaginative play experience. If you want to foster a sense of responsibility and make chores fun for your child, this durable and safe set is ideal. What people say. The broom and dustpan are the perfect size for my toddler. It's great that the dustpan actually holds the dirt, unlike some other toy sets. My child loves using this broom set and has been cleaning up messes independently. Number 2. Monster on the Block. Get ready to meet the new monster on the block. It's bigger, bolder, and ready to take on any challenge. Experience unparalleled performance that will redefine your expectations. This machine is built to impress. Whether it's work or play, it handles everything with ease. Conquer your tasks and enjoy your downtime like never before. Crafted with durability in mind, it's designed to withstand the test of time. Invest in quality that endures. Make the smart decision and choose the best. It's the ultimate tool for those who demand excellence. What we like. This product offers an engaging way to spark imagination through storytelling and character interaction. It's designed to captivate young minds and encourage creative play scenarios. If you're seeking a toy that promotes imaginative adventures and storytelling, this is a wonderful option. What people say. It's got wonderful lessons about kindness and why it's important to welcome people who aren't exactly like you at first glance, while being cute, funny, and a quick read. So many colors. Sure to capture a kiddo's attention. The illustrations, though crammed together, are playful and quirky. Children are sure to enjoy the craziness swirling around. Number 1. Kidzlane Kids Cleaning Toy Set. Introducing the Kidzlane Kids Cleaning Toy Set, a fun and engaging way for your little ones to explore the world of cleaning. This set is designed for imaginative play and early learning. This complete kit includes a mop, duster, and even a wet floor sign, providing everything needed for hours of imaginative play. It's perfect for helping kids learn while they have fun. These kid-sized cleaning tools are designed to look and feel just like the real thing. They are perfect for encouraging responsibility and developing essential motor skills. Let your children pretend to be grown-ups and help around the house. This set makes chores a fun activity, helping them understand the importance of cleanliness from an early age. Crafted from quality materials, this play broom and mop set is built to last through countless play sessions. It's designed with safety in mind for your young children. This toy cleaning set promotes early learning through role-playing and teamwork. It's perfect for family bonding and teaching the value of cleanliness in a fun way. What we like. This comprehensive cleaning set provides everything your child needs for imaginative play, including a mop, duster, and a wet floor sign. The kid-sized tools are designed for realistic feel, encouraging responsibility and motor skill development. If you're looking for a way to make cleaning fun and educational for your child, this set is perfect for role-playing and family bonding. What people say. The broom and dustpan are the perfect size for my toddler. It's great that the dustpan actually collects the dirt and doesn't just push it around. My toddler loves using this broom set and has been helping me clean up messes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.